Welcome to A2S Learning. In this video, we will study about the structure of the heart and the flow of blood through it. The heart, blood and blood vessels together forms the cardiovascular system, or also known as circulatory system. The heart is a muscular organ which pumps blood through the blood vessels of the circulatory system. In humans, the heart is approximately the size of a closed fist and is located between the lungs in the middle compartment of the chest, which is called as mediastinum. Structure of the heart. Heart consists of pericardium, heart wall, blood vessels, chambers and valves. Pericardium. Pericardium is the membrane that surrounds and protects the heart. It consists of two main parts, the fibrous pericardium and serous pericardium. Fibrous pericardium prevents overstretching of the heart, provides protection and anchors the heart in the mediastinum. Serous pericardium is a double-layer membrane which consists of outer parietal layer and inner visceral layer. Between the parietal and visceral layers consists a fluid called pericardial fluid that reduces friction between the membrane as the heart moves. Heart wall. The wall of the heart consists of three layers: the epicardium, the myocardium and the endocardium. Epicardium, also called as the visceral layer of the serous pericardium, is the outermost layer which imparts a smooth slippery texture to the outermost surface of the heart. The middle myocardium, which is cardiac muscle tissue, makes up the bulk of the heart and is responsible for its pumping. The inner endocardium provides smooth lining for the chamber of the heart and covers the valves of the heart. Blood vessels. Heart consists of arteries and veins. Arteries carries blood away from the heart, whereas veins carries blood towards the heart. Aorta. Aorta is a major artery which branches to arteries and carries oxygenated blood throughout the body. Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood to lungs for purification from the heart. Coronary arteries. Coronary arteries transports oxygenated blood to the heart muscle. Superior vena cava. Superior vena cava is a major vein in your upper body. It carries blood from your neck, head, upper chest and arms to the heart. Inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava is a major vein which carries deoxygenated blood from lower part of the body to the heart. Pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins carries oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. Coronary sinus. Coronary sinus is a collection of veins joined together to form a large vessel that collects blood from the heart muscle. Chambers of the heart. There are two sides of the heart, that is right and left side, which consists of four chambers. The two superior chambers are called as atria and the two inferior chambers are called as ventricles. Right and left atria are separated by interatrial septum. Right and left ventricles are separated by interventricular septum. And these chambers consist of atrioventricular valves and semilunar valves. The tricuspid and bicuspid valve is called as atrioventricular valve because it is located between an atrium and a ventricle. The aortic and pulmonary valves are known as semilunar valves because they are made up of three crescent moon-shaped cusps. Flow of blood through heart. The right atrium receives blood from three veins: the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. Blood passes from right atrium into the right ventricle through a valve called as the tricuspid valve, which has three cusps. Blood passes from the right ventricle through the pulmonary valve into a large artery called the pulmonary trunk, which divides into right and left pulmonary arteries. Pulmonary arteries carries relatively low oxygen content and high carbon dioxide content blood into the lungs. And the left atrium receives blood from the lungs through pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins transfer oxygenated blood to the heart. Blood passes from left atrium into the left ventricle through the bicuspid valve, which is also known as mitral valve, which has two cusps. Blood passes from the left ventricle to the aortic valve into the largest artery of the body, the aorta. Some of the blood in the aorta flows into coronary arteries, which branch from the aorta and carry blood to the heart wall. The remaining blood is carried by branches of aorta called the arteries to all the parts of the body. I have also represented the structure of heart through a clay model. Please do watch that video for better understanding of the concept. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please do like and subscribe to my channel.